Hello friends, welcome to Equity to Commodity. Today I will tell you how you will save taxes as well as get maximum returns by investing in saving schemes. Before that, if you want to open Demat account, you can open Demat account with us, and if you will open Demat account with us, you will get these benefits. First, you will get free advisory and technical tips, and you have to pay only flat 20% traded FNO equity, intraday and commodity if you open Demat account with Zerodha, and in equity investment you will have to pay 0% as a brokerage, and if you open Demat account with Ease Wealth you have to pay rupees 11 per executed order as a brokerage, and you will get free advisory and technical tips. So open Demat account with us. In the description box links are given, just click on that links and submit the details. Now come to the topic. If you are paying taxes, then it's the right time to think about your tax planning and don't rush to the March 31st deadline. As you well know about the section 80C of the IT Act, equity linked saving schemes or mutual fund. So ELSS, equity linked saving schemes, are the best tax saving options as they offer returns in just short lock-in period of 3 years. So in the later part of the video I will tell you how ELSS is the best tax saving options. I will compare ELSS through Nifty 500 index or with all the other tax saving options available. So just continue with us. And as you also know that through ELSS you will save tax up to 1.5 lakh under section 80C. So now I will tell you what are the overall advantage. First, you will get the safety of your fund, and after that you will get the liquidity of your funds, and as well as the you will get maximum returns. Now come to the direct benefits. If you are investing in ELSS through SIP, so what are the benefits? First, you will get the tax saving options and you will get maximum return. And in ELSS, just lock-in period is just 3 years, not till retirement 15 years 10 years. Just lock-in period is just 3 years, and the most important thing is that whatever you get as a return, that will be tax free. In FD or in PPF EPF you will have to pay taxes whatever you get as a return, and you will get investment proof instantly for filing your income tax return, that is ITR, and you will reduce the tax whatever you pay up to 1.5 lakh. So as you well know that RBI is gradually decreasing interest rate, so if you think planning for FD, so you might have faced the lower interest rate in future. And other government backed schemes, that is PPF or NSC, that will also be tax saving schemes, but in PPF or NSC you will get only 7.8% as a returns. Now we will talk now I will tell you the comparison of funds with Nifty 500 index. So let's see which one will give the better returns. Now if you talk about the Franklin India Tax Shield, in last 3 years it gave 13% interest, and in last 5 years it gave 19.5% returns. And DSP BlackRock Tax Saver, in last 3 years it gave 16% return, and in 5 years it gave 20% returns. If you talk about Nifty 500 index, so in last 3 years it gave only 10% returns, and in 5 years it gave only 12% return. So here you can see that if you compare with the Nifty 500, so ELSS funds give the higher returns in comparison to the Nifty 500 index. So here tax saving comparisons. So here are the comparison of other tax saving schemes that are available. So first 5-year bank FD. If you talk about the FD, so FD will give you 6 to 7% interest. It might be lower in the near future, and in that lock-in period is 5 years, and most important thing is that whatever you get as a return, you will have to pay taxes on that. And second is PPF, that is Public Provident Fund. It will give you 7 to 8% return. Lock-in period is 15 years, that is very huge. And you will, currently there is no tax on returns whatever you get through PPF, but government is planning, so in near future you might have to pay taxes on whatever you get as a return through PPF. Now talk about NSC, that is National Saving Certificate. In that tax saving scheme you will get 7 to 8% interest, and lock-in period is 5 years, and you have to pay taxes whatever you get as a return. Now national pension system, you will get 8 to 9% return, and its lock-in period is till retirement, so you will only get returns after attaining after the age of 60, and that it is partially taxable. If you talk about ELSS fund, so here you will get return 15 to 18%, lock-in period is just 3 years, and tax on returns no, so you don't have to pay taxes on whatever you get as a return. So you can here see the comparison. So ELSS is, among all of these the tax saving options, ELSS is the better option. Now some recommendations by us. If you want to invest in ELSS, there are some recommendations that would help you. First is L&T Advantage Fund. So these are the last data, last 3 years, 5 years, 10 years. What are the returns given by these ELSS funds in last 3 years, 5 years, 10 year data? These are the data. So in last 3 years, L&T tax saver fund gives 16% return, in 5 years 19%, and in 10 years 13%. Similarly, Aditya Birla Sun Life tax relief 96, in 3 years, in last 3 years it gives 16%, in 5 years 18%, and in 10 years 12%. DST Black Dog Tax Saver Fund, in last 3 years it gave 15%, last 5 years 20%, and last 10 years 12%. So here you can see that in 3 years to 5 years of margin you will get 15 to 20% interest minimum. So ELSS fund, so you can here ELSS fund is the better tax saving option among all the tax saving options available. So once again I will tell you, if you want open demat account with us, you can open demat account with Zerodha or Ease Wealth. You will get free advisory and technical tips, 0% in equity investment. You will get open online demat account with us, or you can get any help anytime with us. So if you want to invest in SIP, mutual fund, equity fund management, you can contact us for long-term wealth. And if you want any help regarding this video, or if you want to invest in ELSS or fund, or want some more suggestions, then you can contact us on my email ID, that is equitycommodity2@gmail.com, or WhatsApp number, that is 96546204113. Or you can also visit our websites. You will get a lot of information about that, that is www.equitytocommodity.in. So one more thing I will tell you, that in our you can see our last video. In last video I will tell you how to become a crorepati by saving just 100 a day. So you have to save just 100 a day and you will become a crorepati. So if you want to know how, so you just watch my video. So video available in my playlist. So if you like my video, so like it and subscribe it for the further any video. Thank you.